Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for your Synology NAS, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit. Specifically designed for compatibility with a range of Synology Disk Station, Rack Station, Flash Station, and NVR-DVA server models. This kit promises to breathe new life into your storage solution. This OWC kit consists of two 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz PC 4-21300 cell 19 ECC SODIMM modules. The ECC, or Error Correcting Code, is a significant feature, especially for NAS devices handling critical data. ECC memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, ensuring data integrity and system stability. This is a must-have for anyone serious about data reliability. Installation is straightforward, as you would expect with SATA modules. Simply power down your NAS, locate the memory slots, and insert the modules. The OWC memory is compatible with Synology part numbers D4ECSO 2666-16G, D4ES01-16G. The immediate benefit of upgrading to 32GB of RAM is a noticeable improvement in overall system responsiveness. Applications load faster, file transfers are smoother, and multitasking becomes significantly more efficient. If you're running virtual machines, Docker containers, or other resource-intensive applications on your NAS, this upgrade is a game changer. The OWC memory is compatible with a wide array of Synology models, including the DS1522 Plus, DS1618 Plus, DS1621 Plus, DS1621 XS Plus, DS1819 Plus, DS1821 Plus, DS2419 Plus, DS2419 Plus 2, DS2422 Plus, DS3018 XS, DS3617 XS, DS3617 XSI, DS3622 XS Plus, DVA3219, DVA3221, FS1018, RS1221 Plus, RS1221 RP Plus, RS822 Plus, RS822 RP Plus. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile upgrade option for many Synology users. OWC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty and free tech support. This level of support provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. The consumer-friendly advanced replacement program is also a huge plus. If you're looking to maximize the performance and longevity of your Synology NAS, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM upgrade is a worthwhile investment. The increased memory capacity, coupled with the benefits of ECC, ensures that your data is not only readily accessible, but also protected against potential corruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.